Alright guys, just a quick tutorial on the grab handles on a Holden VE Commodore. So they're pretty basic to take off. There's just a couple of tabs to release. Do that with a flat edge screwdriver, just pop it open, which reveals a screw. A T20 Torx head will take those out. And one thing to keep in mind with these is once you take these out, sometimes they've got a plastic backing bracket that sits behind this head lining that you got to line back up when you go to reinstall them. So we'll just take these off now. I'll put the camera down and then we'll show you the next step. Okay, I've undone the screws and they're ready to pop down. So that's basically it. It just comes down like that. And when you go to reinstall these, I like to line up that bracket and start by lining this little pin here into that hole there, and then once that's lined up, it kind of lines up where the screws got to go back into these spots here, and then that also will line up where the screws go into those little metal brackets that are inside the roof. And a bit fidgety, you just got to move it around a bit and line them up, but they're easy to take off, just a bit harder to put back on. But that's basically it. So I'll show you what this bracket looks like behind once it pops down, and we'll do that. That's the plastic bracket that comes out. So when you go to put this one back in, you basically get that side there with a little hole lined up, and that will line it up perfectly. Those parts there face away, the flat surface faces towards you, and that's the metal bracket that the screw goes back into. Make sure you don't lose it. They usually stay seated and you don't have any problems with them popping out and getting lost. Yeah, that's how you do one of these grab handles. So a bit more involved than your usual grab handle where it's just a couple of screws and it comes off. Just, what is there, 3 parts basically. You got the plastic grab handle with and then you got the plastic bracket in the middle, and then you got these little metal clips, and that's it. So as long as they all stay together, it all should be fine.